Peruvian Nature commitment to corporate social responsibility through biotrade. Peruvian Nature is a company supported by the Andean Peru Biotrade project that stands out for its economic, social, and environmental engagement. The company's principal activity is the processing and sales of maca, as well as other products such as yacon, kiwicha, camu camu, and dried aguamanto. In 2014, the company initiated a process to adopt corporate social responsibility measures through the preparation of the Global Reporting Initiative report, which includes parameters of biotrade. Peruvian Nature has a strategic alliance with a supplier company located in the Union Department that is in charge of the supply and production of maca. The following are some of the most significant results. Peruvian complies with the 83% of the principles and criteria of biotrade. Through its suppliers, it works in 414 hectares of organic maca in the Union province. Including producers and their labor is approximately 400 people benefit, 80 of which regularly work with the supplier company. Peruvian Nature has organic kosher HACCP and BPM certification. Sales increased 49% between 2012 and 2013.
Maca is a tubercle grown in high Andean regions. It is a source of food, medicine, and antioxidants. It contains high levels of calcium, vitamin C and E, proteins, and 9 of 10 essential amino acids. The product is processed as flour, gelatinous flour, extract, capsules, tablets, and in micropulverized. Peruvian exports of maca have increased in the past 5 years, from $4 million in 2009 to $14 billion in 2013, approximately. Among the company's main markets are the United States, Canada, Germany, and the United Kingdom, as well as the local markets.
Logic of the intervention and change proposal. Aguamanto has a natural distribution in the Andes Mountains. Colombia is the main producer with approximately 80% of the total world production. Peru export grew up in the last 5 years. It has a positive impact in the field because it's harvested on a weekly basis for 2 years, and the workforce is 80 daily wages per week working in an organic way.
The specific objectives. The activities in the work plan carried out throughout 2014 were based on the results of the evaluation in biotrade principles and criteria. The work plan includes improving supply. They can do it training for farmers in technical harvest and post-harvest topics, as well as the nutritional benefits of the product. Also, training for farmers in topic of conservation and biotrade. In the demand, participation in trade fairs such as BioFatch, Natural Products Expo Wets, and Peru Natu Expo Alimentaria.
The cost to access promotional activities are too high. The reason is because most of the companies that work with biotrade products are micro or small. Biotrade project in component 2 aims to increase market access of the Andean biotrade products through different strategies. It has been proven that company access to commercial platforms is an effective strategy for development.
To strengthen the commercial management of the company is necessary. First, improving supply and demand, established a favorable environment and mutual engagement. Second, participation in relevant trade fairs has been an effective promotional strategy that permits growth. By last, it's important that the government continue making efforts to position and differentiate the product for strengthening the farm.